Right, so a bit of a short for everyone. I've made these up to help with the electric car build. This one is going to go in the plasma cutter, and I'm going to be able to hold a Sharpie here to get my bend lines in spot. And this one was supposed to be double-sided, but it warped a bit on the printer bed. I'm going to be able to line it up, measure to here, and draw straight lines all around pipe to cut them. So I'm just going to tap these and show you the rest. The other thing is if you ever tapped threads into steel or any form of metal, you'll know that it is not the simplest solution to do by hand, but tapping into plastic, well, I don't see why anyone bothers to 3D print threads anymore. Like, this is literally just a delight to absolutely thread. Now these are going to be M10 1.25, so I can just use standard M10 bolts that are just sitting in my toolbox. Just standard off-the-shelf fasteners, just to allow me to give this a little bit of clamping pressure to my pipe so I can mark it. Okay, flash on for this one. So now we have threads. Don't know if you can actually see them if they're coming through because the camera doesn't seem to want to focus, but these are M8 1.25 and M10 1.25 in the bottom. So standard threads so that I can get standard fasteners. And these ones will just hold a Sharpie in place, and this will actually slide over a piece of tube, which is 50 by 75 in there, and then I can just use these around it, just screw it down, clamp it slightly onto it, and make all my markings around it so I get nice markings all the way around it.